Hello, today we'll be unboxing the Halo Bolt Ultimate 2.0. What comes in the box is going to be the Halo Bolt Ultimate 2.0, jumper cables, USB wall charging adapter, 24-inch USB-C to USB-C cable, interchangeable nozzle kit, 24-inch extension hose, the carrying pouch, and the user manual. This is the deep sea blue color on the packaging. So when you get the Halo Bolt Ultimate kit out, the jump start button is right here, where you'll plug your cable in right here. It's going to show you your battery left. So right now we have 65% battery and it's 0.0 volt it's giving out. You can control that from the side. Then on this side, you can click this. And this is the on and off switch for the USB cable, so this can charge a device. If you want to put any air in it, you click that button right here, this air button, and you push this up to whatever PSI you want. Once you push it up, it will start putting air through, just like you heard, and that comes from this nozzle back here. So the remainder things that come in the bag is this carrying pouch, where when you open it, you'll see many of the other features I mentioned. So these are the jumper cables in the bag right there. And this is what you'll plug, the blue part is what you'll plug in to the Bolt Ultimate. This is a air nozzle, the interchangeable air nozzle. Here's a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C cable. These are also some of the interchangeable air nozzles, so you can use it on whatever kind of thing you need to inflate. And then here is the USB-C to wall adapter. That's the Halo Bolt Ultimate 2.0. Thanks for watching.